So you know, we at the airport, and I think people are gonna hustle us, just like Manila, telling us to get in their taxi, telling us it's gonna be cheap, but I think it's not. How much? How much? How much?
Taxi.
All these taxi guys.
Taxi.
Tricycle, 150.
150? Tricycle? 150?
Yes.
Taxi.
150?
150 lang, sir.
That's great.
Tricycle?
Taxi, sir.
Pero man,
50 lang, sir.
These nuts.
Paragay, sir.
parangay. Hindi.
Ito na, sir.
Ano lang? Hindi.
Pabili na ng purot, sir. Pabili na ng purot. Purot lang, purot.
Hey, grass.
Klase kayo, sir.
Ito na, sir.
Parang ikaw.
Ito na, sir.
Video lang, video menu. Video lang.
200 pesos lang.
For
200 pesos.
taxi.
Oh, for taxi. 200 pesos.
Ba't ka sinungaling? Bakit? Why the fuck you lying? Ay nako.
Now we're going this way.
My name is Jeff.
150.
Come here. 200
150, tricycle. Okay, sir.
200 pesos only.
Para saan ba kayo, sir? Sir, para saan kayo, sir? Para saan kayo, sir? Where going, sir?
Tara na!
Where going, sir?
I would just ikot-ikot lang.
Ikot-ikot lang.
Ayaw, Tagalog. There was 10 and there's 2 left.
Ayaw na, bro.
There's 2 left.
Ayaw na, bro. Ako na, bro.
Where are you going?
Ayaw na, bro. Ano na, bro? Ayaw na kayo. May makato ko doon. Tapos doon ako.
No.
Ako driver. May driver. I have a driver. Driver. Come on, sir.
What are you doing, bro?
Yeah. I'm a driver.
Are you taking our luggage?
Yeah. I have a driver. Yeah, driver. I'm a driver.
He's very strong. I don't think we need help. Kaya ko to, kuya.
Hindi. Ako na driver.
Hindi.
Ako driver.
Kaya ko to. Pagkaya ko to eh. What is this? I told you, right? Kuya, kaya ko to. Ano ba to, kuya?
Sige, wala problema, sir. Ako driver.
Ay!
Daniel.
And then, kaya ko to, kuya. Ano ba?
Daniel.
Where are we going to? In here. Kuya? Downtown?
Terminal, sir.
Terminal only.
Okay,
Terminal only.
Yeah, terminal.
Ano ba downtown?
Pasok pa yun.
Okay.
Ito, 50 pesos.
Ha?
50 pesos.
50?
Yeah.
Ayaw na lang. They said 50, man.
Ay, kamo.
Saan kayo downtown, sir?
So what just happened right now? So crazy. Huh?
Downtown, 15 pesos.
15? So
Alright, we go there.
15. Then 250 pesos to 15 pesos.
Okay.
Okay, salamat, kuya.
Salamat. Okay. Salamat din.
It's gotta fit. Sweet. Yes. And we made it. What the hell? So, the other Jeep, they wanted how much? 50. They wanted like 50. And how many meters? It's like 10 meters away. I don't even know what to say, dude. That was crazy. It was like a rampage. There's like 20 guys. It came down to 2 guys. And he just gave up. He kept holding my luggage like it was his. That was some crazy shit. Hey, yo, take this all the way in.
Hey, welcome to Tacloban, bro.